Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This is 2333 here with Simplex 4010 System Showcase 1. So today I'm joined by... Hey, shut the fuck up, I'm trying to record. Anyways, I'm joined by
Nathan muted you.
2222, Raccoon Alarms, Mayhem, and Equal Star 68.
Hello. Hey.
Say hello, Nathan.
Hello.
Yeah, Nathan sounds very excited for this system test. Alright, so the 4010 is here, and I moved this and put my AFP 200 over there. So, yeah. Today, system's normal, time and date's correct, I got batteries, and it's a grand old time. So for pull stations, I decided to keep it pretty basic. This is going to be kind of a random airport setup. I don't know, I just named all the devices to airport shit. So we got two Simplex 4099 9004 CB pull stations with bilingual lettering. Then we have two standard Simplex 4099 9004 pulls with English lettering. For the notification appliances, we have all Wheelock stuff. So here I've got a Wheelock MT, or no, I'm an idiot. Siemens MTH 75R WPB bilingual horn strobe. Right here we have a Wheelock MT241575WFR horn strobe. This one is only the strobes hooked up. This is the only one with sound output. This here is a Siemens ZR-MCWB, I believe? Yeah. Remote strobe. And over here we have a Wheelock LSTW3 remote strobe. And all these are set on their highest candela and are all synced. So the system is set on code 3 and the horn is on, well, horn. So without further ado, persons with epilepsy do not watch. Do not pull any fire alarms in buildings unless there's a real fire, or you are a technician inspecting a system. I am not responsible for your actions. And with that being said, here goes. 3, 2, 1, let's make some fucking noise! Shut up!
We made more noise.
Okay, why the fuck is it not syncing? Alright. Well, that's pissing me off. Alright. Alright. Cut. Gotta fix that. Alright, we are back with a fully synced system, hopefully. And I gave up. I didn't set the time because, fuck it. Alright, let's try this again. Departure door 3. Alright, now I'm gonna silence. As you can see, it says Departure Door 3 by main FACP. So, here's some details. The cool thing is, it tells you the physical status, so you can tell if something's reset or not. Physical status limited means the module is shorted. No, I don't want to turn on extreme battery saver! Anyways, yeah. So I can do all that. And yeah, now without further ado, let's do all of these. Now we're going with the other 9004 CB. Here goes. Acknowledge. Gate A1 at Jetway Controls. Alright, let's silence. I know you don't have to do that, but I do it for the hell of it. Alright, now let's do the regular 9004. Well, one of them at least.
That sounds like a cow getting pussy.
You sound like an idiotic calculator.
It's something I'm getting murdered.
One ton.
Someone's getting fucked on my voice chat.
Oh.
Anyways, let's do the last T-bar.
We will personally put you in a soup bag, like a soup pot, and just boil you until you die.
Alright, I don't know what the hell to call one of those lineups at security. Lane? Fuck, I should have called it that.
Adam, do you like Chub?
What?
Do you like Chub?
No, I do not.
Why? What's wrong with Chub?
Well, I can't really express any opinions here, but not an EST fan. Let's reset all these.
So you don't like Troy either?
I don't mind Troy, but yeah.
What about Convergent? They're in EST.
All right.
Notifier for EST.
Let's do a reset.
Right? Adam, what do you think of that?
If I were to set up an alarm, which one would you want to hear?
I don't know.
The virus mode or the NS?
Adam, what do you think of EST or them Dick?
Hang on one sec, guys. I'm filming. I'm filming. I'm filming. I have a camera rolling right now.
Keep recording, dickhead. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Okay, guys. All right, there we go. System's back to normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have